Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Siri and welcome back to another vlog. Today, this vlog is going to be about the movie. I'm going to watch Kalki today. I've been so excited to watch Kalki because it is very much related to Mahabharata, and you know the love that I have towards Mahabharata, and I just want to watch it. I've been waiting to watch Kalki from a very long time. My friends have already watched it, so today I'm just going alone to the movie. So I'm super excited for the movie. But before anything, I have got this bag for myself, which is from this brand called Zoc, as you can see here. So I'm gonna take this bag with me. I did not unbox it because I thought of unboxing it with all of you, because I know Zoc is a brand which is vegan and made in India, and of course I would like to always go with vegan bags. Okay, and I am planning to turn into a vegan very soon. So yeah, let's open the bag now and see how it is going to be. I mean, I know how it is going to be, but it's so pretty. Just look at this beautiful bag. How beautiful is this? Like the quality, the print, and the colors that they've chosen. It's just amazing, guys. Like, I was expecting it to be good. Like, when I saw it online, like I thought of getting this for myself and I got it, but I was not expecting it to be this good, to be honest. So yeah, this is the bag that I got, and I'm really happy with how it is. We are just gonna pack everything that I need in this bag, and then we are going to leave to the movie. The show is at around 10:45 in the morning, but I'm going to start from my house at around 9:30 because it will take 45 minutes to reach there. The distance is about only 10 to 15 kilometers, but it will take a lot of time as this is the time of traffic. But yeah, now let's pack everything that we need in this bag. So this is the bag. I pack everything in it, and like there are a lot of pockets inside this bag. There is a pocket for water bottle as well, which is quite impressive, I would say. I mean, I really liked it. I'm really happy with my choice that I've chosen Zoc. Maybe my mom can also use it. There are so many pockets, guys. There's a pouch inside this bag. Maybe this could be the best gift for your mothers or your friends who are girls. I think you should really give it a try. Thing is a body mist I'll carry with me, that is for sure. And how can I forget to carry my water bottle, which is a very important part of my life. Like, I like the fact that there is a separate pouch for water bottle over here, which is a very good thing. And my earphones. I've always struggled. See, tote bags are good, like the cloth bags are good, but you don't have compartments inside that bag, because of which sometimes it gets difficult to take out things. But anyhow, I love them. I have a lot of them. I have got 2 more of them, which I will show you in the evening. Mom has been scolding me that how many bags are you going to get for yourself? Like, mom, I mean, they're not very expensive and they're really good for the environment. So that's what I keep telling my mom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll tie my hair and I'll be right back. So yes, guys, I got all ready. So I'm excited to watch the movie, of course. I will let you guys know how the movie is after watching the movie. I'm pretty sure all of you have already watched it, but I will anyhow let you guys know how I felt about the movie. I'm sure it is going to be good, but yeah, let's see how it is going to be. I'm very excited. Of course, I'm going to the Satro Mall. Booked a ticket for myself in Inox. So yeah. Let's go now, guys. Let's go. And this is how the bag is looking. And I don't mind wearing big bags, or I even like when the bag is too comfortable and spacious. As long as it is comfortable and spacious, I don't mind if it is suiting my dress or not. I don't care about all that. But yeah, it is comfortable and I really, really liked it. So yes, let's go now. We are getting late. So guys, I am back in the sense I just changed my dress and came onto the terrace for a while. So let's talk about the movie now. What a movie it was, guys. Like, I completely enjoyed it. I feel people who know Mahabharata, they are really going to enjoy this movie. And I am glad and happy for the fact that I have like some knowledge about Mahabharata. I'm a very big fan of Mahabharata from a very, very long time. Not one day passes for me without watching or listening to Mahabharata. And my favorite from Mahabharata are Abhimanyu and Karna. So I really liked the movie. I don't want to reveal anything, no spoilers or nothing. I would highly recommend everyone out there to watch it because you are going to have a very good time watching the movie. And a special mention to the visuals, guys. Like, the visuals were on point. The graphics were so good in the movie, and the BGM was also good. The screenplay, in any movie, the most important part to me is a screenplay was top notch in this movie. I was like, oh, the movie got finished. I was like that. Of course, there's part 2 for this particular movie. Be waiting for part 2, but it was really nice. I feel the time was worth it. Of course, it's a very long movie, like it's 3 hours or something, but not even 1 minute I felt bored. I really enjoyed it. As a movie lover, I really enjoyed it. This is my personal opinion. I completely enjoyed it. And the climax, like, I completely loved the climax, like the way they portrayed it, the way they visualized it. I think it was just amazing. And Amitabh Bachchan ji nailed it in the movie. Like, he nailed it in the movie. I completely enjoyed this. I will just go on and on and on about the movie. I think I should end it right here. So yes, that was about the movie, I would say. And this is how the view is looking like from my side. And yeah, so I'll stay here for a while, enjoy the fresh air, and then I'll go back. We have a lot of things to do because there are a few gifts that I got from my friends which I am left with unboxing. So we'll be doing that together today. So yeah, let's do that after a while. Guys, I'm back after a very long break, I would say. Now the time is around 10 in the night. I just thought of unboxing few gifts. So this is the box that I have my gifts in. Let me just tell you why I have received this gift. So my friends and I, we have this challenge going on us from a very long time, that each of us need to eat one fruit a day. You know, you have to eat at least one fruit a day, and you have to send a picture of that particular fruit that you are eating on that day. In case if you fail to eat the fruit that day, you will have to gift something to the other person. So it's basically like, instead of spending your money on the gift, you will end up spending money on the fruits, which is comparatively healthier. So that is a challenge that we had. So recently, when I had this challenge with one of my closest friends, uh, I lost once, and I gifted something to my friend. I gifted a perfume, and my friend lost 5 times. And my friend has sent me 3 gifts for now, and I just thought of unboxing them right in front of you. I thought of doing it yesterday, but yesterday I went to Nishiaka's house for some work. Received the parcel yesterday night, so I just thought, why not I unbox this right in front of you. and I can see something that I really like. Let me just show. Can you guys guess what this is? It's a tote bag. It's a cloth bag. And look at this beautiful color. Like, how beautiful is this? I think I'm having a lot of bag collection these days. Everything is made of cloth only. Like, how pretty. I can carry like this. It's so good. I loved it. Thank you, my friend. It's so pretty. And we have one more. Just wait. And we have one more tote bag. My god, tote bags have my heart. Like, wow. Ah, this is so pretty. And look at it. Like, how cute is this? Can you guys see? How cute. I'm loving these, guys. Like, I'm loving these. Morning I opened a Zoke bag. I loved it. Today I opened these two. Now I'm opening these two. I love both of them. I mean, so pretty, so pretty. Look at this color. So nice. And this is like a bit different from it, but it's beautiful. But this can get dirty easily. I have to maintain it. But now we have one more, which is, I have obsession over perfumes. I haven't told you any time, but I have this obsession over perfumes and cloth bags. The cloth ones, I love them. So my friend knew me very well. My friend sent me 2 tote bags and a perfume, set of few perfumes. So let's open this. Wow. Can you see? How pretty are they? I can't even use them if they are this pretty. But let's just smell everything. It's good. Of course it's good. My friends are too sweet, guys. Too sweet. See how pretty is this packaging as well. I'm gonna store this like this itself. Even if I use the perfume, I'll keep the bottles with me. I have this tendency that anyone who gives me something, I have like everything related to that with me. I know it sounds a bit cringe and weird and all, but I'm storing everything that I receive as a gift, and that's my habit. So I just fell in love with this blue bag. I'm not able to take my eyes off it. Like, how pretty is this? Like, how pretty is this? I loved it. Like, I don't know why. I mean, I was actually kind of manifesting it that, it would be great if I have like a cloth bag collection, good cloth bag collections. I got this Zogue bag, which is made of cloth almost. I have these 2 bags now, and I have 2, 3, 4, 5 more cloth bags with me. I have a collection now. My mom actually loved it. Now we are in a fight that who is gonna take this. I'm like, I want it. My mom is like, no, I want it. I really liked it. I think my mom will take it from me. But yeah, anyways, if you use this, I'll be happy as well. But yeah, I loved them. Thank you for gifting me these. And I loved them. Guys, you too keep these challenges with your friends that, it's a nice way of eating fruits every day. At the same time, you have a sense of discipline and responsibility. Okay, now if you don't eat a fruit, I will have to give something to my friend, right? So at least in that way, you will end up eating 1 fruit a day. And you don't believe me, right from the day we have started that challenge, we have been seeing a lot of difference in our face, because of course when you eat fruits, it's good for your health. And every other day, I'm just going out all by myself and buying some fruits for myself and coming back and eating, doing something like this. And I think on normal I mean, we will not be disciplined for ourselves, but when you keep these challenges, I feel you will be a lot disciplined. So I loved it. I really loved it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow again. This is going to be a continuation vlog for tomorrow. Well, I will be revealing something tomorrow, so you wait for it. Now it's time to sleep. I'll sleep. I haven't even washed my face. I'll wash my face, um, do my skincare, and then I'll go to sleep. Thank you so much for these. I just fell in love with these and the perfumes as well. You know me well. Like you know that I know my friend is watching this video, so you know me well. Like perfumes and these tote bags are my obsession. So you have sent the right gift. Thank you for that. And yes, I'll be back tomorrow again. Yeah, I'll be back. But good night for today. Guys, today is the next day, 5th of July. I think you'll be watching this video on 6th of July. So tomorrow we are going out. We are going out to a resort because it's Santu Baba's birthday tomorrow, who is my cousin, who is going to be my cousin soon. So it's his birthday tomorrow and we are super excited for that. His birthday is going to be very special to him and to us as well. So Nishaka is the one who is throwing the party for all of us in the sense my brother and I and Sammi and Nishaka and Santu Baba. We five are going to be there in the birthday celebrations tomorrow. So it's of course thought of celebrating it at home, but we thought every time it's the same routine. You be at home, you be lazy and you don't feel like getting up, you don't feel like going out. So we thought it would be great if we go out on a resort and spend some valuable time there, have some fun. So I will make a separate video altogether on that particular day, like the birthday day. But today is going to be about the packing and stuff because there's a lot of stuff that I need to pack for tomorrow. Although it's only for one day, like one day's vacation, but it is still there are still some things that you need to pack. Especially I can't forget my skincare, right? So yeah, that's what I will be doing today. And I also need to meet Nishaka once. Like I need to go and talk to her about tomorrow, about how it is going to take place and what are the plans and all. We just need to go and discuss with her once. And yeah, that's what is happening as of now. I told you that there's one surprise, right? This is the surprise. I'm pretty sure that the resort is going to look beautiful because I've seen pictures of it. Nishaka has sent me a few pictures. It's looking beautiful. I hope it looks the same in real as well. So yeah, we'll go tomorrow and see how it is going to be. So you make sure that you check out that vlog as well. So yeah, let's go to Nishaka's house and discuss with her about everything. Guys, now we are going to Nishaka's house. We just called her to just confirm if she is free. So she said, yeah, come, we'll discuss. So yeah, now we are going. So let's go. So guys, here is a surprise out of nowhere. Don't mind the background because as it is rainy season, clothes are everywhere. So here is a surprise out of nowhere. Today I just decided to spend the entire day peacefully without any worries, and I just got to know that our results are out. So here is me checking my final year and final semester results. You don't believe me when I say this, like I am not scared of exams, but I am scared of results. I am always scared of them. You can't see that fear on my face, but I'm scared as hell inside. I hope the result is going to be good so that I can spend the day tomorrow peacefully, or else that would just be sit inside my mind and I cannot spend the day at all. I'm here right now checking my results. So I did not check them. I just wanted to check them with you. So I'm smiling, smile out of fear. I hope everything goes fine. Like all 5 semesters went really good. So this sem also goes well. So we'll be done with our graduation without even having a single backlog. I think for everyone in our gang, like we five, we do not even have a single backlog till now. So I hope this also goes well. So let's see, let's go. And yeah, I did not say this to my parents yet. I just want to check it once and then tell everyone in my family about it. My mom is very chill. She'll be like, I know you'll pass. I know you'll get good marks. Right from the day I started to write my exams, that's what she's been telling me. So I hope it goes well. It's loading, guys. It's loading. Can you guys see? It's still loading. It's here. As it is loading, my heartbeat is raising. So it's here. Let's enter the hall ticket with all of you. Hall ticket number 6th semester. Guys, are we ready? Are we ready? Shall we click on submit? I hope everything goes well. Let's see. Click on submit. Scroll down. And here is my CGPA, guys. It's 8.31 and passed. We are done with our 6th semester as well. I mean, it's unbelievable kind of, because this semester was kind of tough for all of us compared to remaining all semesters. Like this semester we were really scared about how the results are going to be. So yeah, we are done with the semester. I am really happy that we are done with every single semester in our graduation without even having one backlog. And we are not even like toppers in our class, but Sai I think got really good marks. Sai topper, guys, like she's topper Sai, and we got O in our project, like O grade in our project, which I'm really happy about. Seems so good. Now I'll go and tell everyone, like my family members, that I got good marks. So it's 8.3, good. So I'm happy. I am happy that okay, tomorrow I'm not going to spoil my mood at all. I will spend it in a lot of happiness. So yeah, just now I got the news that all my friends do not even have a single backlog. Like they all got good marks. All of them are graduated now. Now we can call ourselves as graduates, because guys, one request that I'm making to all of you is that do not ask me in the comment section that what are you going to do next. I will not answer it. You just be with me on this journey, watch my vlogs and get to know about this. I'm being rude about it. Please don't ask me that question. Every single person is asking me that question. I'm not going to expect that from you. Don't ask me. Let me just be peaceful for a while. No, I'm doing my something, I'm working on something. Just let me be like that. At least I'm in that happiness as of now that I got good marks. Now you don't spoil that mood by asking in the comment section that, okay, what's your next plan, Siri? What are you going to do after your BCom? Guys, give me some time. My family itself is giving some time. My mom is like least bothered. She's like, I know Siri will do something. She's like extremely confident about me. But you guys are like, what are you going to do, Siri, next? What are you going to do next? Please stop it, yeah. So yeah, I'm really happy that we are now graduates and we got the result. So yes, my friends, everyone, we all got good marks. So we are really, I mean, whatever we have studied, we got the worth marks. So we're happy about it. So yeah, I would like to end this video right here. So I would like to continue this video tomorrow as well. Like I'll end this video right here. You will have to watch another vlog that will be posted on Tuesday again. So you wait for 2 more days and I will be back again, and that vlog is going to be absolutely amazing because we're going to a resort tomorrow. So you please wait for that. So see, my joy has increased as soon as I saw my result. But yeah, I again strongly believe that marks are not the one that decide you. It's all about the societal pressure that you have upon you whenever you are in your graduation. And yeah, so we as friends, we always have this tendency that, we are not going to study for marks, we are going to study for the knowledge that we are going to get. And that's what we have done. So that is why we are satisfied for everything that we got. Like, everything that we wrote in the exam is of course out of what we have learned, not just by harding, or just, just learning for the sake of it. So we are happy for whatever we got, because it's our knowledge and it's our learnings from whatever we have learned from college. So we are happy about it. And thank you for watching this video for this long. I will catch you guys tomorrow again. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.